y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl NESSA period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, this is gonna be a wig install, you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time me or my boyfriend posts a brand new video, you guys. Period. This video is brought to you by a company called Kiss Fashion Hair, or Kiss Hair, you guys. I'll make sure to leave it on the screen, you guys. They reached out to me. They was kind enough to send me a wig, you guys. And as y'all can see, like, this wig is bomb. This wig is beautiful. This wig is me, because y'all know I love curly hair. Like, if you're a company out there and you ever want to send me some hair, send me some curly hair. Any color, I'll wear it. I'll rock it for you. Okay, period. So they sent me a 30-inch 13x4 150% lace frontal, you guys. Okay, y'all, so it came in this beautiful box right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It came in this beautiful box right here, you guys. Okay, y'all, so in the box it just came with this beautiful wig, and the wig had a neck cap on it, and you know, the white tissue paper, like the regular wig packaging, I guess. And then in the box it just came with some lashes. These are the lashes, you guys. These lashes look really super fake, so I will not be wearing those. And then it came with a black wig cap, you guys. That's all that came in the box, y'all. But if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure to keep on watching, tag a friend, share this video, and leave a comment and tell me what you guys liked about this video, what I can improve about this video, what you hate about this video. Like, just make sure to interact with this video, you guys, period. And let's get right into the video. guys, so this is how the hair is looking when it's completely dry. I'm gonna just put the camera down a little bit to show y'all the true length of it a little bit. Okay, y'all, as I was saying, it falls right at my hips. It is a true 30-inch wig, you guys, because I made sure to measure it with my measuring tape or whatever. But yeah, this hair is super soft. It didn't give me no problems or nothing like that. The knots bleach very super well. The parting space, you guys, it is an actual 13x4, you guys. Like, it's so super hard these days to find an actual true 13x4 wig, and this is a 13x4 wig. I supposed to have a clip in the beginning of the video to show y'all that, like, it's a true like it's 13 inches across, and you actually get 4 inches parting space. Like, if I wanted to wear this as a side part, I could have, but I'm not a side part type of girl, you know, so I'm not gonna do that for y'all. But if I do decide to switch up the style, I'll make sure to leave like pictures or something on the screen, or y'all can follow my Instagram. It's going to be on the screen somewhere. But now I'm just going to wet the hair and then show y'all how it looks wet, and then I'm going to come back on here. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair is looking wet, you guys, and I just wanted to show y'all real quick what I use on my hair. So I have a spray bottle I got on Amazon. I'm gonna make sure to leave a picture on the screen if y'all want to purchase a spray bottle. It was like $1 for it, you guys. And I also use the organic oil mousse because it smells really good, you guys. So it's gonna make your hair smell really good, so it's not gonna clash with your perfume or whatever you're wearing. Okay, it's just gonna stay to that hair. And also, my secret ingredient for if I want a wet look for the whole day is this gel, y'all. I got this gel at the dollar store. I actually got this trick from Brittany Rivers. Y'all know I love her, and that's my girl. I'm gonna give her the credit when it's due, you know, you feel me. But yeah, y'all, this is the LA Looks Extreme Sport gel hold 10+ level alcohol free gel, and I just use a little bit in my hand and just rub it in there, you guys, so it won't get like flaky or nothing like that. But that's gonna have your curls popping for the whole day. If y'all watch my loving hair review, that's the secret ingredient that I was trying to tell y'all about, but I forgot to put it on the screen or whatever. But yeah, y'all, that's what I use in my hair to make it look like this. I absolutely love it. It looks super good. I can't wait to go out and take pictures in this hair, you guys. And this hair is not heavy at all. I think it was like 50% density, 180% density. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna make sure to leave it in the description. If y'all like this wig, make sure to check the description box out below and make sure to use my coupon code for some money off your purchase, period, you guys. But yeah, y'all, this is gonna be the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and like I said earlier, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll make sure to see y'all in my other videos. Bye, y'all.